Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Diecast Resurrection. Today we're going to do another custom. I got a 1970 Chevelle here. Everyone was begging for the stripes on the last one, so we're going to do a candy with some stripes. So here we go. So we haven't done a custom in a while. Everyone loves the Chevelle, so we're going to do a popular car today. How about that? These plastic-based cars can be a real pain sometimes. The posts on these new cars are humongous compared to the old ones. That's pretty well the size of my screw, so you either have to use a washer for assembly, or you can glue it and use a faux rivet. The size of the tires on this bad boy. So we can go ahead and start stripping this. Here's what we're left with after the strip. Nice clean casting. A little bit of a dirty gouge on the hood, just a casting flaw, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. I'm going to try something today I normally wouldn't do. I'm going to use a white Stynel res. I want to have as much brightness below this candy as possible. Now normally at this point we'll shoot a gloss black and then do quicksilver. Just because we're on such a small scale, I wanted to see if we could just get away with shooting quicksilver right over our primer. Still have a nice candy effect. This would probably work with a black primer just as well. I want a super bright candy this time, so we're going to just spray straight over the white. Okay, we're bringing out a new color here. This is called Marine Blue. Should be very suiting for this car. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's color shifting. Now I don't know if that's the paint or if we stumbled on something. I haven't seen the other candies do this. It's color shifting over to purple. I want to put on a little bit more and see if the effect gets stronger. So I really took my time, sat down at the desk, masked out my stripes, and we're going to shoot a metallic white for our stripes. So this is going to be one fancy, fancy car. Need a little white, and on these metallics you do about 20% balancing clear. A little bit of reducer. I cannot wait to pull the tape off this thing. coming out extremely sparkly, but there isn't enough white in there, so we're going to mix up some, we're going to add some extra white to it. Alright, so what we have happening here is something called color bleeding. So spraying the white on top of the candy, it's pulling the blue out of the candy into the white and turning it this pastel blue. So that's not going to work out for me, but all is not lost. So this product is called Bleed Checker. It's basically something that you would spray over your existing artwork if you needed to do like white highlights. And it's supposed to stop the white from sucking up all the color from below. So I'm going to try this out for the first time. We'll see if it works. So I actually had a lot of trouble getting white on top of candy, and there's probably a 50-50% chance that this paint is ruined. It's all going to come down to how good my tape job was, so I'm a little bit nervous because I had to put a lot of white on here. Moment of truth. Man, that sucks. That's what happens when you got 10 coats of white on there. This is the second time painting the car tonight. Second time masking out some stripes. And this time I didn't do white, I did something subtle that's going to look really good. I did my stripes in Cosmic Sparkle. So you can see just how durable this Createx paint is. You can mask with confidence. Hell yeah. So I'm going to clear coat this bad boy. Blub, 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 blub. And I'm going to finish this tomorrow. But first, I got so much crap last time. I'm going to get these hood pins. And I'm going to get these door handles. Okay, I think we're ready for an assembly here. I thought about changing out these wheels, but I actually really like these ones. These are the same ones I have on the Nova. As far as factory wheels go, these are probably my favorite that Hot Wheels has. So I'm going to hold on to those wheels on here. I did a couple of details on our little car here. Off camera, easy. Get ready for this. Beautiful specimen. So nice speed stripes, Cosmic Sparkle on our beautiful blue candy. Really nice car, so I'm ready to put this bad boy together here. Start with our glass. I did our interior in white, obviously. It's not a crazy custom, this one. It's a really nice little showpiece. Look at it. Just gonna go ahead and get some screws on here. We'll put it up on the rotisserie. After some deliberation while filming here, I decided to paint the dash black. White dashboard is just ridiculous. So I went back, painted the dash black, put her back together, and now I feel a little bit better about it. White dashboard was just silly, so there we go. Done for the day. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.